OPPO new generations of book-style foldable phones, the latest being the Find N5 that debuted earlier this year. The Find N6 will be the world's first Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 foldable. While the device is said to be thinner and lighter than before, the OPPO Find N6 will have a 6.6-inch screen on the outside and an 8.1-inch foldable screen on the inside. The rear camera setup is said to be headlined by a 50-megapixel Sony LYT-808 main camera, an ultra-wide lens periscope lens with 3x optical zoom support, and a multispectral sensor. It is speculated that the device will launch in the first quarter of 2026. Upcoming foldable is expected to carry forward OPPO's focus on slim design, display quality, improved photography experience, and rugged durability. When it debuted in February this year with a price tag of 8,999 yuan. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.